coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one that I found at H Mart next to the Alderwood Mall in Linwood. This is Nongshim with a special Jjoljjolmyeon. Jjoljjolmyeon is a chewier version of bibimbap. Okay? These are cold. These are to be served cold. They're great for summer months, nice and refreshing, kind of salady. So, yeah. Excuse me, man. I tell you. Garnish, sauce, noodle, non-fried, nice looking noodle. This is like something you find in like Rao, Nissan Rao. So let's drop her in there. And let's get to boiling. All right. There we go. So, yeah, it's still Wednesday, the 21st of 2024, February. World year time. And, God, two things that are really neat I'll talk about today. First off is AI. So a lot of people are freaked out about AI, and I want you to understand that actually it's really cool. I use it every freaking day. So when you see my posts that are coming out at this point, if you look at the finished product image, the backgrounds are done with AI. So I go into, it used to be just Bing did it. Now they're calling Microsoft Bing, the thing I use, Microsoft Copilot. Anyways, I entered in prompts like, for this one, traditional Korean vintage, weathered, scratched, aged, antiqued. And then maybe for this one I might want to use blue hues. So I'll say like blue hues, blue shades, light blues, things like that. And then I might also tell it that I want it to be a tablecloth pattern that's centered. And I've been toying with it and finding all sorts of neat stuff. So I've been doing that for, it's been a while, 6-8 months, and I love it. Instead of like looking around and finding patterns and like kind of tailoring them, I like just using prompts and making my own things. There's an argument that this takes away from artists. Honestly, I think crafting prompts is an art unto itself. If you wanna make something, you gotta know what you want to make, and you gotta like mess around with it, and what you'll get might not be the right thing, but then you keep toying with it, you keep doing different iterations of it, and then you get what you're looking for. So I don't know. I think a lot of people have misconceptions about AI. No, what I do isn't going to destroy the planet. I cannot wait to get my freaking grubby mitts on some form of video AI generation, because I've got so many ideas that would be so rad to use for intros and outros, like elephants throwing instant noodles around on Mars with a bunch of tiny little dwarves riding them. I don't know, just weird crap. I'm into that. The other thing, excuse me, we've got a new place that opened up in Bothell, and they're called Ion Q. And you know what they're making? Freaking quantum computers. And I sent them an email. I haven't gotten a reply yet, but I want to walk over there and see what they're doing. I've been a computer nerd since I was like forever, right? So this is fascinating technology, because I believe the only limit to the processing power when you're gauging the interactions of yttrium atoms bumping against each other, I think, is everything external. I mean, it's an analog processor, right? So they have to keep these atoms stable in a row by using a laser in an intense vacuum. I'm like, wow, this is crazy Star Trek crap. I'm all about it. I'm really hoping I'll get maybe I should just call them up. That'd be neat. But I'd love to see some of that. And it'd be a long walk, round trip. But yeah, I'm really interested in doing that. So it's over by the UW Bothell campus. So I will really want to check it out. I'm excited. Yeah. So, yeah. That sounds like a lot of fun to me, and I'm like nerding out, just like losing my mind thinking about it. Okay, so let's do this. They showed like doing it in an ice bath. I don't have an ice bath, but man. Okay, here we go. We're just using ice cold water, and it's winter, so the water coming out of the tap is extra cold. I also let the cold water get into the pot that I'm going to mix it in, because then the pot is cold too. If you don't do that, the pot won't necessarily stay cold. Just a little pro tip right there. Hey. And drop it in. Drop it back. That should be about good enough. But I want this stuff to be like freaking freezing cold. Alright. Alright, so here's our noodle. Here is our sauce. We're going to add the sauce. Oh, there you go. But yeah, I really want to go check out that Ion Q place if you're listening, which I'm sure you're kind of busy. You know. You know, because millions of people watch my show. Millions! Maybe at this point there's been a million. Probably. I've been told I need to really start doing what do you call it, TikTok. I kind of wanna, but I need to like do some more things before I can really get that going. I need to like, I do have a little mount for a camera to do it in portrait mode, so yeah, that may happen shortly. I don't know. But I can't have like this background music. It isn't really allowed. They have weird rules about it. I kind of see the idea, the logic of it. Then they don't have to even deal with really having much of a copyright restrictive environment. They can just say no music more than like I think it's like 15 seconds. What I generally do, I can't do in 15 seconds. I could just do like a whirlwind, like, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that, look, ramen. Maybe that'll be my shtick. Oh. Look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that. Oh, look, ramen. Could do that. I don't know, there's so much crap on TikTok that I'm just like so disinterested in. There is our Jjoljjolmyeon. Let's give it a try. That's a good one. It's sweet. Oh, and then there's the garnish. Okay. I'm gonna do it up. And then once all the pretty pictures are done, I'll try that. And I used this plate yesterday, but I really like this plate. I think it'll be nice on this. Come on, center. Give me a... I really like this plate, but... Here we go. Here's our garnish. It shows it just on top in the middle. So there it goes. I'm gonna add... I really wish I had more veg, because this is really a veg heavy dish. You kind of like make it like a salad. So there's that. I'm gonna add a slice of narutomaki. I think a lot of the time the fish cake generally is what do you call it? Kamaboko. And we've got some egg. That was the right mixture of soy sauce to water, I believe, because these are still looking happy as heck. And I'm so stunned like vegetable. Okay. I'm done being stunned like a vegetable, folks. I'm gonna add in some crushed red pepper. Just right there. And I'm gonna add some seeds and call it good. Like I said, at the end, after I've taken my pretty pictures, I'm gonna sample it with their garnish, which is right there. But yeah, it's not even 10 a.m. I've made three bowls. Let me look at this. Looks fine to me. Messaged. I hear it in my ear. And I think it's my buddy just got done with his 2.5 weeks. He's been in this cybersecurity class over in Arkansas. It sounds pretty interesting. It's being taught by a 22-year-old guy. Yeah. Anyways. Alright, thanks for watching. Yeah, this one. If you want to try a nice cold noodle, this is it. It's sweet, it's spicy, it works well cold, and yeah, this is excellent. This may be very well one of my, it's like definitely one of my favorite Korean cold noodles. So yeah. And that's about it for me for today. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye.